Assalamu alaikum. Hello, guys. Hope you're doing well. This is Sadur Rahman, streaming live from Rihanna School Online Academy. I have a guest today whose name is Maria Faberwali, and I will discuss about her journey in Rihanna School Online Academy, how she has been feeling after joining the academy, and how much she has learned about different skills and how she's going to earn uh, dollars in near future, hopefully. So, Assalamu alaikum, Maria. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking. So, take me through your journey. When did you join, and how long it has been, and what's your end goal when it comes to studying in Rihanna School Online Academy? Take me through the process.
Okay, so I have been past 5 months, almost 5 months in Rehan School Online Academy, and my father saw the videos on Facebook of Sir Rehan Allahwala, how like how he did work and what is their curriculum and how students are working in their school. So after that, my father saw their videos, their live sessions on YouTube also. So he told me about that, and he told me about that. If you are interested in it, so you want if you want to join, then you do it. So I also watch their videos and their live sessions. How they're youth, the young children are interviewing with foreigners in English, and they are this is so attractive for me. And they have no books, and the students are working on laptop and phones. So it's also very attractive for those people who are learning in schools with books. So when I saw that, and it's really amazing when I saw that. So I told to my father. And we contact with our principal Dola Taylor's wala, and he when the night time we contact with them, and he told us, give me a little introduction of yourself, then I'll do that. And so he told me, you want if you want to join tomorrow, then you do it. Then I'll join the Rehan school, and my goal is to become a Fiverr expert, because nowadays I'm learning about Fiverr, what is Fiverr, and how can we do work on Fiverr. So I have a little bit knowledge about that. So inshallah, as soon as possible, we are working on Fiverr.
Sure, why not? Inshallah, very soon you will be earning dollars from Fiverr. So,
Inshallah.
so you love Fiverr? Like Fiverr Valley, like you want to earn only from Fiverr, or there will be a lot of platforms are there from which you can earn money. You know, so why only Fiverr Valley? Is there any reason behind it to name yourself Maria Fiverr Valley?
When I take my name Maria Fiverr Valley, so I don't have any experience. I don't know about what is Fiverr and how can I work on Fiverr. So I don't know. And when I take my name Maria Fiverr Valley, so I asked my principal, like, what name you suggest me for in Walas. So he told me about, you take your name Maria Fiverr Valley, and we make you expert in that, and you earn dollars, or this type of conversation. So when I'm interested in video editing, and also a Canva. When we are working graphic design, I know about a little bit about graphic designing. So yeah, that's when I so as I told you, I don't know about Fiverr Valley. So nowadays I think I know about Fiverr, so and it's interested for me. And yeah, that's why I take my name Maria Fiverr Valley.
Sure, sure, why not? That's best answer. So okay, So let me ask you one question. If I give you around 5 to 10 students to and tell you to teach them about video editing and about something about Fiverr and something about gigs, can you do that? Do you have the skills? Do you have the skills to teach those students about these things? Can you do that?
I think I can do that because I have knowledge, I have skills, but I have no experience. So I think it's a best opportunity for doing that. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's great to hear about it. So okay. So how long it has been since you joined Rehana School Online Academy?
Um, I think it have been 2 to 3 months.
2 to 3 months. Okay, it's not that far right now. So you are a level one student. So you wish to pass this level and want to go to the level two.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's great to hear because in level two, I think there is an ample amount of opportunity that you can earn. There are different resources in level two from which you can earn money. They will tell you, they will let you know, they will teach you about how you can earn money online. So, so is it fascinating these days to have these kind of platforms from where you can learn easily? What do you think about that?
I think if you are if you have skills, if you have knowledge, then you can do it in every platforms. Like nowadays, I'm learning about Fiverr, so it's the best opportunity for learning about Fiverr because it's very easy for for working and for earn money, I think.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you have interest in blog posting or online content creation or copywriting? Do you have interest in those niches?
I have interest in content creating, but we are nowadays we are just uh, watching and finding the content. How can we make content? But uh, yeah.
Well, yeah, because content is everything, in this online world. I can say
Mm.
that if you have a good content, you can easily earn money because it's all about the content. If you are making entertainment content, if you are making learning content related to technology, related to online games or something like that, there are very multiple kind of contents are there. So it is up to you which niche you will pick it and you will work on it. So my question was that do you find yourself writing a blog post, writing insightful comments and insightful conversation about the trending topics? Can you do it easily, or you can find yourself editing video, find it easy? What kind of things you can do it easily, you know?
Yeah, I think I do it easily. The video editing is also and the content writing, but I think we don't have that type of mindset now. So if we are if we do that, if we want to do that, so we don't want to think that how can we make content, how can we do that, we but
Yeah.
if we do that, if we are do that, so we have the best opportunity and we learn easily, we make content easily.
Yeah, of course, why not? First of all, you need to do it regularly to have a good grip on it. So I guess you guys are doing right now the same thing. You are doing it daily on a daily basis, and just to make it easy for you when it comes to dealing with the online or international client. So you will be a perfect fit for that job. That's what I think. That's what I think you guys have been doing in Rihanna School Online Academy, because a 15-year-old girl knows, if she knows about video editing, if she knows about content creation, if she knows about Canva post and other things. It's a wonderful thing to be uh, masters in those skills. Most of the girls and boys in this age does not do anything at all. Just go through the school or college curriculum activities. So it's a wonderful thing that you guys are doing in Rihanna School and Academy. Okay, so Now, how do you see yourself in 2 years? Like, where do you want to see yourself in 2 years? Not in 10 or 15 years, just in 2 years. Where do you find yourself? Where do you see yourself in 2 years? If you have been connected, if you have been connected to the Rihanna School and Academy, what kind of skills do you think you should have, you should possess? What kind of uh, atmosphere you will be in, and what kind of clients you will be dealing? Do you have any idea, like, or what kind of thoughts you have in your mind?
I think I want to become a Fiverr expert. After I want to see myself an expert in Fiverr, and in every field, like in graphic designing, in video editing, and some extras. If like, yeah, I want to see myself in 2 years on that side.
Okay, so you only want to focus on Fiverr, not on the other platforms. Like, there are other platforms as well, Maria.
Yeah,
So you,
but
yeah,
uh, nowadays I think I have Fiverr.
okay. So your mind only have Fiverr. You only
Yeah.
want to work on Fiverr. Okay, so let's talk about Fiverr. Why you find yourself, like, why you find Fiverr very interesting, that you only want to work on Fiverr? Is there something in Fiverr that we don't know that you know?
uh, I think Fiverr is the best platform where you provide your um, where you give.
Skills. Yeah.
Yeah, and the I think if we are working on some other side, so I don't know how can we do work, but I'm just learning about Fiverr, so that's why I think my mindset is only think about Fiverr. So yeah, I think so that.
Okay, so when it comes to working on Fiverr, I suggest you should have an online tab on your laptop or computer about Fiverr, and read 2 to 3 posts or newsletters about Fiverr, how the Fiverr algorithm works, and how the top rated vendors are there who are selling services to the customers. So you should know on a daily or weekly basis about the updates that Fiverr is giving to the people. So how, by doing that, you will be able to understand how the algorithms of Fiverr work, because you have, most of the people have their skills but they don't get the work from Fiverr. So I don't want you to be in that, stuck in that phase. So if you don't want to stuck in that phase, you should be well aware about the Fiverr algorithms, how the Fiverr works, how the Fiverr picks that the account from which, and post it to on the top rated section. You should read about Fiverr more often. What do you
Yeah.
think about that? Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. We are we watching on daily basis some new type of videos and about the Fiverr algorithms and about the different things where we if we have no orders, so how can we do that? And if our gig is not ranking, so how can we change our gig? So this type of videos we are watching on daily basis, and we make the reviews also on that videos. And yeah, so that's why
Okay,
I think it's helpful for me.
yeah, it's helpful. It's definitely helpful. So you, where are you from? In which city are you from?
I'm from Multan.
You are from Uldan. So do you find any other girl or a boy of 15 or 17-year old who are doing this kind of activity, like Rihanna School,
uh,
attending to Rihanna School Online Academy, or some academy who is like teaching them about online skills?
I don't think so, but one student is in online. It's He is Ahmed Shiraz, and he is our class fellow also. So
Okay.
he is smart work wala. He is not Fiverr working on Fiverr and learning about Fiverr, but he is smart work wala, and he is from Multan.
What wala?
Smart work wala.
Smart work wala. Wow,
Yeah.
that's a good name. Okay, so Okay, so let me wrap up this interview now, and I would like to ask you one last question before we're gonna turn it off. So, what kind of suggestion or advice you gave to the girls out there who are at the same age of yours and not learning new skills, not learning online skills? What kind of message do you give to them?
I think I have this advice for them, that don't give up. You work hard, and uh, you have this opportunity to nowadays, because AI is everywhere. So you want to learn about which field you want to learn, which field is your favorite. So do your work. So it's like beneficial for your future. And if you want to like learn about something new, something different, so you should want to learn from AI, and from ChatGPT also. It's very helpful for you. And don't waste your time, because some girls or some boys are in, like, if in my age, so they are just playing games, and they are just wasting their times. They know their like parents are make money for them, but yeah, they want to do their best.
Yeah, the parents are doing their best, but the kids don't realize how the parents have been hardworking for providing those facilities to the students. So they should learn new skills. They should experiment how to earn online money. So it's a good message. Thank you so much, Maria, for giving me your valuable time, and thank you guys out there who are listening. And thank you so much. I will come up with the next student very soon, and we will talk about his or her journey. And let's make Yano School more famous. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you,
Yeah.
Maria.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.